Hello students, welcome once again on my YouTube channel Edutera. Today I came with a question CBSE 2004 which is very important for 2021. If you will learn and understand the formula, definitely you will able to solve the question within 2 minutes only. So let's start to learn something new. Edutera, mission of success.
Student, this is the question which I have taken from R.D. Sharma, class 10th, mathematics. Question number 18, statistics. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 62.8 and the sum of all the frequencies is 50. Compute the missing frequency F1 and F2. It means here we have given the mean, already given the mean 62.8 and sum of all frequencies, that is 50. Class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Frequency 5, F1, 10, F2, 7, 8. Here we have to find the value of F1 and F2. So students, you can see the question was asked by CBSE in 2004. This type of question is very important for coming exam 2021. Here I have taken assumed mean method to solve because this method is best to find the mean. If you will learn the formula and calculations, basic calculations, you will able to solve the question within 2 minutes only. Very simple, very easy. Just complication in calculations. So here I have made already table class interval fi, xi, di, fi into di. The method I explained in my previous video, statistics mean 1. So first we have to find the value of xi. What is xi? Xi is also known as class mark, that is sum of upper limit and lower limit divided by 2. Then we have to find di, then fi into di. So now we are going to start with assumed mean method. So we know the formula of assumed mean, that is x bar equals to a plus, a is assumed mean, sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. So students, we have to find sum of all fi into di and sigma fi. In question already we have given sigma fi, that is 50. We have one more thing is given, that is x bar, that is mean. How much? 62.8. So try to find the value of xi, that is sum of lower limit and upper limit divided by 2. See, 0 plus 20 divided by 2, 10, then 30, then 50, just difference of 20, then 70, then 90, in the last 110. Now D means difference of x and a. So what is a? First choose a. A means assumed mean. From xi you can take any one which is best for you. You can take. Here I have taken 70 as a assumed mean. So just encircle, otherwise use a tick mark, use a rectangle, use a box to show a, to avoid the silly mistakes. So a we have taken here 70. Now complete the column di, x minus a, that is 10 minus 70 is minus 60, 30 minus 70, it will come minus 40. 50 minus 70 minus 20. 70 minus 70, 0. Now 90 minus 70 plus 20. 110 minus 70 plus 40. So you can see above A all negative, below A all positive. Same equal difference, that is 20. Now we have to find Fi into Di, means multiplication of frequency and D, value of D. So 3 value will come negative and 2 value will be positive. See, 5 into minus 60, so minus 300. F1 into minus 40, so it will come minus 40 F1. Now 10 into minus 20, minus 200. F2 into 0, 0. 7 into 20 plus 140. 8 into 40 plus 320. Add all negative values and all positive values. Finally, find the sum of all Fi into Di. So definitely you can see here positive values are just only 460 and negative values are 300 and 200, 500. So you will get negative values. So students, here I want to say that if you are new on my channel, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Edutera. Minus 500 minus 40 F1. And sum of these two positive terms, you will get here plus 460. So finally you will get the value of Fi/Di, means sigma Fi/Di. It will come minus 40 minus 40 F1. So we got the value of A, we got value of Fi/Di, and already we have given sigma Fi. So first we will use 50 as a sigma Fi, and from the table calculate sigma Fi. You will get 30 plus F1 plus F2. How? 5 plus F1 plus 10 plus F2 plus 7 plus 8. Here so many students are doing a lot of mistakes. They are writing 5 plus F1 means 5 F1. There is a confusion among the students. 5 plus F1 and 5 into F1, the same value, but it is wrong. So that's why we are getting sigma Fi equals to 30 plus F1 plus F2. Now substitute all the values. One thing more we have already given, see in the question, in the box x bar, that is mean. So substitute all values in the formula. Definitely you will get the value of F1. See, 62.8 equals to 70 plus in the bracket minus 40 minus F1. Minus 40 minus F1. Improve your maths basic calculations. Now transfer 70 to 62.8, means transpose. 62.8 minus 70 equals to, here I am taking minus 40 as a common, in the bracket 1 plus F1 by 50. 0 to 0 cancel. Now cross multiply. Minus 7.2 into 5 by minus 4. How we got minus 7.2? Subtracted 70 from 62.8. So 70 is negative, it will come minus, equals to 1 plus F1. Now you are very close to find the value of F1. So 9 minus 1, that is 8. So great. Here we got the value of F1. Now one more unknown things, that is F2. So see the sum of all frequencies, it is given 50, but from the question we are getting here 30 plus F1 plus F2. It will help to find the value of F2. So from the table, sigma Fi equals to 30 plus F1 plus F2. We have given sum of all frequency, that is 50 equals to 30 plus F1 plus F2. So 50 minus 30 means number with number. 50 minus 30 equals to F1 plus F2. 20 equals to F1 plus F2. Substitute F1 equals to 8. So 20, this implies that 20 equals to 8 plus F2. Now 20 minus 8 equals to F2. So 12 equals to F2. It means F2 equals to 12. Here we completed the second part of the question and we got both values F1 and F2. So finally write the answer. F1 equals to 8 and F2 equals to 12. So I hope the video will help to learn assumed mean method and you will learn so many things with Edutera. So thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.